Good morning, guys. Like you already remember, this is my first attempt of making a Leatherman wave with detachable handle. The first attempt kind of like failed, but not failed, but is not like 100% properly. Well, today I did the second part where I made a Leatherman wave with the Wave Plus plier head, where I think I managed to make the perfect cut. Like the handle is still properly and it's cutting pretty damn good. You can place a lot of force and not even having a problem. Now this is where the difference is. The old one, I cut the corner up here too much. On the second one, I let this corner up and I cut it deeper in this side. You can make the difference. Now with the new one, it's working perfectly fine. You can still unlock it pretty easy. And let's make like the first cutting. Still cutting good. Let's play the wire quick and see if it's still cutting good. And still stripping. It's still locking in his place. It's not holding. All the blades there are accessible. Plus, when you need it, just the handle. You can use just the handle for whatever reason you need. Maybe a small tight space or something like that. Hope you enjoy. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll come with more ideas. Thanks.